Okay, guys, so this has to be one of the most underrated crypto airdrop currently. All right, so imagine Solana is about to launch its own stable coin. This has been confirmed and proven in many ways. This stable coin is actually called USX instead of USDT or your regular USDC or whatever. So this one is USX, and this is actually Solana stable coin. So this campaign is currently ongoing, and currently the total amount of funds raised by this project called Solstice has not been confirmed yet, though at the point of making this video they have actually got about 205 TVL right here on their DApp, guys. So but before we talk about this DApp right here, let's first of all talk about the early riser campaign. All right, so before we go into all this totally, before I show you how you can be able to participate and be able to claim your early riser NFT on this video, quickly let me introduce our free Tonecoin giveaway on this channel. All right, so the Tonecoin giveaway goes in this way. To be able to be part of it, simply go ahead right now, look below the video you are watching right now. You are going to be seeing this subscription button right there. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscription button to actually subscribe to our YouTube channel. Finally, click on this bell icon and select all, so that whenever I post new video, you'll be the first to know about it. All right, then go ahead and give us a thumbs up like this, share the video to whoever you want, to any community of your choice, then finally drop a very nice comment. We actually pick winners from the comment section. All right, so that's basically how you join our Tonecoin giveaway. Aside that, guys, you can also get to follow our channel, because on this channel I provide you with a lot of good crypto airdrop information, money earning opportunity in the crypto space. That's basically all I do in this channel and other stuff like that. All right, so right now let's go straight into the business of the day. So we are going to be talking about the Solstice airdrop. Like we have already may have known, this Solstice is 100% built up and backed 100% by Solana. So right now, do not take my word, let's dive into it completely. So over here on October 30th, they made this announcement right here saying that Solana has a stable coin of its own called USX, and it is currently live. So right now they actually say that USX is not just collateralized and composable. We already have 166 million in TVL, which is currently 205. So to prove that Solana is backing this project up, I think Solana dropped a comment right here, which is I think is a good thing to convince a lot of people to actually get into this guy. So this is not where he dropped the comments right here, but you can see Radium right here. Radium, which is the number one DEX on Solana, currently commented on this, proving that this is a nice one and it is not something fishy. So scrolling down right now, you can see a lot of prominent people are actually talking about this project, but there's something I need to show you right now. So this is it right here. Okay, so this is it right here. It says fully backed, fully backed, fully Solana, fully ready tomorrow. So this was when they were about to launch. So clicking on this right now, let me show you something real quick. So I guess this is where Solana actually commented, proving that they are seriously backing this up. You can see they commented right here, meaning that they are backing this up, right? So when you look over here right now, let me show you something real quick, guys. So this is where they actually talked about their early riser campaign, which is what we are going to be focusing most on this video. So we have the early riser campaign right here, and also we have the campaign which they launched in partnership with Zit. All right, so we are also going to be talking about that, but on this video, guys, we are going to be focusing only on this early riser campaign. That's why this video is going to be very short. So there's actually three things that you need to do. First one is to participate on the early riser campaign, which is basically where you need to just connect your Phantom wallet, that is Solana based wallet, connect your EVM wallet, then you go ahead and claim this early riser NFT right here. Then after claiming the NFT, then you are going to be you are also going to be connecting your X account, right? So you are going to be asked to complete some certain tasks right here, which is going to be earning you XP. All right, so this XP is going to be used to determine your airdrop allocation in the future. So but basically, for you to earn these XPs, you need to simply complete this task, which involve following the X account tweeting and replying, liking posts on Twitter and all that. And that is basically how you earn this XP. Also, they have referral. When you click over here on referral right now, you can see this is where you get your referral link to join this campaign. I'll be leaving the link to this early riser campaign right there on the video description box. So after that, guys, that is what you need to do on this first part. So we are going to be talking about the second part, which is of course how to participate on the dApp. All right, so how to participate on the dApp. It is very, very important that you complete this task right here, because if you complete this early riser task right here, then you are going to be automatically getting 1000 flay. All right, so you're automatically going to be getting 1000 flay when you participate on the dApp. All right, so I'm going to be talking about this on the next video. After that, guys, we are then going to be talking about the ZIT campaign, which is basically the one that they spoke about right here. Okay, this one right here, they spoke about the ZIT. Okay, so I'm going to be talking about that. So this is basically the first video about this project. I'm going to be making the second one and the third one, so stay glued and make sure you're following this channel, so that when I'll be dropping the video, you'll be there to have it, and you'll be there to utilize it and position yourself very well for this airdrop, guys. So guess what, this project called Solstice is an airdrop that I haven't do you know that in the first 5 days of this project, they have already surpassed a lot of other Solana based projects, because their USX, which is of course the stable coin meant for Solana, superseded and ranked the 5th most dominating stable coin on the Solana ecosystem. So it is very, very crazy, guys, and it is just out of the out of the box. Okay, so right now, guys, there's no more talk right here. This is basically all I needed to do right now. Remember, let's now take this back again. First thing that you needed to do is simply click the link on the video description box. Once you click on the link, you are going to be brought right here. Then you go ahead and connect your Twitter, connect your EVM wallet, connect your Solana wallet. Then you go ahead and claim your early riser badge. Then finally, you go ahead and complete all this activity right here in order for you to earn XP. So let's talk more about this early badge right here. Okay, so this early badge comes with a lot of benefit, like I already said it earlier, that you are going to be getting flay for just getting this badge. Okay, so let me read it out right now. Early bird reward through our megaphone campaign. You can see right here, they're basically thanking you right here, but let's rush it up right now. You can see reward is 2000 flay. Now, what is flay? Flay is the point that you earn when you participate right here on their dApp. Okay, so going back right here right now, you can see you need to before you can qualify for this, you need to have at least 300 XP, which you can easily get after completing all these tasks right here. I just completed the task right now and I got 470. So you need to make sure you get 300 XP on the megaphone campaign. Also, you mint the registration badge and you connected the Solana wallet on megaphone. Then you sign up to Solstice dApp using the same wallet. So if you use the same wallet that you used to connect right here on the on the megaphone campaign, should be the same wallet that you are going to use right here on the Solstice dApp. All right, so this is all you need to know right now. Go ahead and complete this first campaign. I'll be dropping an update about the second campaign immediately after this video, and I'll be making the the video for the third campaign on another day. All right, so thank you guys for watching, guys, and this is basically all you need to do right now concerning the Solstice Solana airdrop, guys. So thank you for watching, and I'll be talking to you on the next video dropping very, very soon.